Hey guys, welcome to our Tech for Our Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video, I have come with 3 hiring update. First is coming from Fargo company, second is Capgemini, and third is Motorola. So all 3 companies are hiring for fresher, college student, and pass-out candidate. And I will explain you each and everything like what is selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch this video till the end and check out the other hiring also because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing like TCS, 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐸. So do check out. Now let's discuss about first hiring update, which is coming from Fargo company. So company has started hiring for apprenticeship role. You can check out here. Company has mentioned Fargo India apprenticeship. And currently company hiring for 3 different locations. First one is the Bengaluru, second is the Hyderabad, and third is the Chennai. So maybe there will be a chances if you get selected for this role, then your office location will be Bengaluru, Hyderabad or Chennai. You can select any one of them according to your choice. Talking about the qualification first. So they have mentioned if you done bachelor degree, any bachelor degree like BE, Tech, BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA from any branch you can apply for this hiring. And only fresher candidate eligible for this hiring. Company has mentioned fresher with no prior formal work experience. So if you are a fresher or recent graduate, then only you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply. And one note point, for this hiring, coding knowledge or programming knowledge is not compulsory. If you have a good communication skills and you have a knowledge of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, then you can apply for this hiring. Company has mentioned everything in desired qualification. You can check out. So if you are interested, then you can apply for this hiring. Just click on apply now option and complete your application. So this is all about the Fargo company hiring update. Talking about the second hiring update, which is coming from Capgemini company. So Capgemini company currently hiring for Python developer role, and whether you are a fresher or you are experienced candidate, you are eligible for this hiring. Company has mentioned 0 to 4 year experienced candidate. So if you are an experienced candidate and you are looking for a job change, you can apply for this hiring. And one note point, this is not a bulk hiring or the mass hiring. This is a skill based hiring. If you have relevant skills, then only you will get a chance for exam or interview. So I will suggest you, if you are interested for this role, then please take a referral for this position, any one of the company employer, and after referral, your chances will be increases for selection. So do check out this hiring. Talking about the last hiring update, which is coming from Motorola company. So Motorola company currently hiring for intern role, and don't worry, company will provide you full-time offer as well. Company has mentioned they are hiring for salesforce developer internship 25. Talking about the more detail about the qualification. So they have mentioned if you're currently enrolled in your undergraduate degree or graduate program, then only you are eligible for this hiring, and your passing mark should be 25 or recent graduate, then only you can apply for this hiring. And coding is compulsory for this position. Company has mentioned you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be Java, Python, C# or similar language. You can check out here. And one note point, if you have knowledge about Salesforce development or Salesforce platform, then it's a plus point for you. You will get a priority during interview. And company has mentioned this point here. You can check out. So if you are interested, just click on apply option and complete your application on Workday platform. And if you face any difficulty, then you can ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.